Hello everyone. This video is going to cover searching for tax records in REALIST. You can use the REALIST tax records to find property information based on the tax records. While it is typically suggested to use the public record search in Matrix for tax lookup and printing functions, REALIST provides a unique interface and a set of tools that we want to go over in this tutorial. To access REALIST, you can use the tile on the CVR MLS dashboard, the tax search list in Matrix, or the link provided on the tax tab of listings. Once you've logged in, you'll see that the page layout has search fields on the left and a map on the right half of the page. The map section of the page contains various tools to search for properties or other information. You can toggle the appearance of the map between a road map, an overhead satellite view, or a layout of the terrain. To see the street view of a location, you can place this peg man onto the map. At the top of the map are drawing tools that you can use to section off areas in your search. Boundaries lets you outline sections of the map such as counties, school zones, and parcels. Use the property and sales button to choose which properties display on the map. You can choose to show tax sales going back as far as 12 months, display listings based on MLS status, or choose a property characteristic of each parcel to display. The trends icon lets you display information such as a median sale price or median cost per square foot within a zip code or neighborhood. You can choose which points of interest to display on the map. Keep in mind that you may have to zoom in close to see these clearly. The directions and locate tools let you enter addresses or business names to pinpoint an area or give turn-by-turn directions. You can email these directions directly out of REALIST. There's also a measurement tool. Use this to draw lines on the map and find out the total distance between points. Use annotations to attach notes to a specific point on the map. You can search using the fields on the left half of the page. Start by selecting the counties you want to include from the list, then click Apply. By default, this will start you on the Quick Search tab. This tab has a fixed set of fields: property address, owner name, MLS number, and tax ID. If you want to add multiple values into one search field, use the plus button. The My Search tab allows you to customize the criteria you will use to find properties. Once again, you start by choosing the county, then click Customize Search to select the fields you want to add. Once you've completed your list, you can save that set of fields to use at a later time. Enter a name for your search, then click Save. Click Apply to confirm your search criteria and return to the search page. From now on, that saved search will live in this list on the My Search tab. Once you've filled out your search, your results will show in the window to the right. Results will show as pins on the map. You can change to a list view to see results in a table or as tax cards by clicking List. The fields shown on the table and cards in the list view are customizable. If you prefer to see both views at once, you can split the window between a table and a map view by clicking Split. Click a pin or choose from the list to select a specific property. This will open a card that shows the owner's name, tax ID, bed, bath count, the last sale, and the last sale price. Mark a property you would like to save by clicking the star. The property will then be added to a list of saved properties stored in the upper right corner of the Realist window. Several options for sending results will be available at the bottom of the page. You can export results into a spreadsheet. A quick export allows you to choose from a preset list of attributes or fields. You can also customize an export and choose from all the available attributes. Start by dropping down the list of saved exports. Click Create New Export. Name that export. Checkbox all the fields you'd like to include. Then click Save to add your custom export to the list. Once saved, you can click Export to download your spreadsheet. Note that Realist allows you to export 10,000 properties per month, and once those are used, you'll have to wait until the beginning of the next month to export again. You can print your results. The print display options are full reports, the map display, a table display, a combination of the map and table, or the tax cards. After selecting one of these options, a PDF file will be saved to your device that you can then use to print. You can email results. To email, you'll select a display for your recipient and provide a return email address for them in the Reply To field. Recipients will see that these emails come from CoreLogic.com, but any replies they send will be sent to the email address you enter here. You can make labels for your results. Choose the details for your labels from the settings or create a custom label with your own text. Labels will also subtract from your 10,000 monthly exports. Click Reports to see even more information about your results. The Full Property Details tab lists an in-depth report taken from the tax record and listing history. You can send this report via email or print it, and the fields included in this report are customizable. The Comparables and Neighbors tab use surrounding properties to show side-by-side comparisons and generate reports. The criteria for the properties Realist includes in this report are customizable. Neighborhood Profile provides data to help get a clear understanding of the lifestyle you can expect based on the people and businesses that are near your search results. This report displays facts about the neighborhood in categories. You can see info about the population, such as the typical household size and the median age. Housing displays values such as the amount of renter versus owner occupied homes. Quality of Life lists workers by industry and gives data on things like average household income and the commute methods in the area. Data on education, schools, and local businesses are also available in this report. The Flood Map tab shows a color-coded breakdown of flooding hazards. This report comes with a legend to identify what each flood zone means. The Hazards and Risk report shows information on possible dangers posed by crime, wildlife, natural disasters, distance to emergency services, and more. You can download a sample report, but the full version of this report comes at an additional charge. Do you have a question that was not answered in this tutorial? Submit a ticket to MLS support via email or contact us by phone, and we can answer any questions you may have.